Confused about whether to stick with the free SketchUp or take the plunge with SketchUp Pro? This video will break down the key differences to help you decide which one is right for you. First, let's talk about SketchUp Free, the web-based version. It's fantastic for hobbyists, students, or anyone just starting with 3D modeling. You'll find a solid set of basic tools for creating and manipulating simple models. Think rectangles, circles, push, pull, all the essentials. You can save your projects to the cloud, making them accessible from anywhere. It's perfect for casual projects. Now, SketchUp Pro, this is where things get serious. You get access to advanced features like solid tools, ideal for complex geometry manipulation and creating clean, manufacturable designs. Dynamic components let you create interactive and configurable models, saving you time and increasing design flexibility. Plus, you can supercharge your workflow with a vast library of extensions, adding specialized tools for everything from rendering to structural analysis. One of the biggest advantages of SketchUp Pro is the expanded file import and export options. You can seamlessly work with industry-standard formats like DWG, DXF, and IFC, making collaboration with other professionals much easier. SketchUp Free is limited in this regard. Let's talk pricing. SketchUp Free, as the name implies, is free to use for personal projects. SketchUp Pro requires a subscription. The cost varies depending on the specific plan you choose, but consider that subscription as an investment in expanding your creative potential. Finally, consider your intended use. SketchUp Free is for personal, non-commercial projects only. If you plan to use SketchUp for professional work or generating revenue, SketchUp Pro is required. It gives you the commercial rights you need and access to support and resources for your business.